हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका अपना फार्माटेक आईक्यू में। आज फिर हम कुछ जॉब लेके आए हैं, फार्मा जॉब वैकेंसीज को हम डिस्कस करेंगे। जो सबसे पहले वैकेंसी हम लेके आए हैं वो है गुफिक में। गुफिक बायोसाइंसेज जो लिमिटेड है कंपनी है, जो एस्टेब्लिश हुई थी 1970 में मुंबई में। इनके पास वैकेंसी है कैम की अकाउंट्स मैनेजर क्रिटिकल केयर डिवीजन में, और जो एरिया वैकेंट है वो है आगरा और मुरादाबाद। जो इनको कैंडिडेट रिक्वायरमेंट है वो है कि उसके पास हॉस्पिटल डिवीजन का, क्रिटिकल केयर का, नेफ्रो गैस्ट्रो इंजेक्टेबल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए। इफ समवन इज इंटरेस्टेड सो प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट मिस्टर हिमांशु विशिष्ट और मेंशन मोबाइल नंबर। Another vacancy is for Modi Mundi Pharma. Modi Mundi Pharma is established in 1919 in headquarter in New Delhi. They require DSM area manager for headquarter Indore. Candidate must have good communication skill, good knowledge about customers and area and good sale record. ये इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट है। और जो इनको एक्सपीरियंस जो है प्रेफर करेंगे कार्डियो गायनी का सेगमेंट का होना चाहिए, और एज ए एरिया मैनेजर होना चाहिए, और एज बिलो 36 की होनी चाहिए। If someone is interested, so please contact on mentioned mobile number or share your CV on mentioned email ID. Another vacancy is for Alembic Pharma. Alembic Pharma established in Vadodara, Gujarat in 1907. The requirement is for area business manager for Ghaziabad headquarter. In qualification B Pharma BSc they require, age not more than 35. Experience they require 2 to 3 years as a manager in ortho segment of same area. If someone is interested, so please contact Anand Shukla on mentioned mobile number or share your CV on mentioned email ID. Another vacancy is for Lupin. Lupin based in Mumbai, established in 1968. They required marketing executive for East Delhi headquarter, Krishna Nagar, and respiratory division. Minimum 6 month experience they require for same area, and qualification B Pharma and BSc they require. If someone interested to join Lupin East Delhi headquarter, so please contact Mr. Ankit Mishra on mentioned mobile number. Another vacancy is for IPCA Laboratories, established in 1949 in Mumbai. Vacancy is for ABM headquarter Gurgaon, division Pharmanext next, and age below 32 they require, and experience must have same experience area covering Gurgaon, Rewari, Palwal, Faridabad, and qualification B Pharma BSc, any graduate they can prefer. And if someone interested to join IPCA Laboratories as a area business manager for Gurgaon headquarters, so please contact Mr. Manish Kumar or mention mobile number. Another vacancy is for Ostuka. Ostuka pharmaceutical company established in 1964 Tokyo. They require key accounts manager for Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Guwahati, and qualifications required graduate and experience 1 to 5 years. If someone is interested to join Ostuka as a key accounts manager on mentioned locations, so please contact Mr. Hemant Pawar on mentioned email ID. Another vacancy is for Koe Pharmaceutical, established in 2013 Mumbai. They require area business manager all over India for Ayurvedic division. Experience 2 to 3 year prefer goes to Ayurvedic Pharma. And if someone is interested, so please contact Joyce Fernandez on mentioned email ID. Another vacancy is for Indian Bulls. Indian Bulls Pharmaceutical Company, established in 2016 New Delhi. Vacancy is for medical representative for Kanpur headquarter. Candidate should have minimum 1 year experience and age below 28. If someone is interested, so please contact Mr. Ashwani Rajput on mentioned mobile number or share your CV on mentioned email ID. Another vacancy is for Zuventus. Zuventus Healthcare is a joint venture of Emcure, and Zuventus Healthcare established in 2002 in Pune. The requirement is for Lucknow, ABM in lifestyle division, cardiodiabetic division, and the area covering is to Allahabad, Lucknow and Bareilly. If someone interested, so please contact Aditya Thakur on mentioned mobile number. होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो। तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट करके बताइए हमारी वीडियो आपको कैसे लगी। अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फार्मा टेक IQ को जल्दी से जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, तो आपको हमारी लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स मिल सकती हैं। थैंक यू।